I'm going to get the assembly done for the bulk plate parachute attachment on the nose cone here. I think we're going to do something nice, keeping this hole about the same size or slightly smaller. I'm actually threading this into the bulk plate. It feels really good. So I think I like that. And this is again a stainless steel. I know it's not a solid piece, but I think it'll be fine. Alright, so next step, now that the fins are all tacked on with some CA, is fillet time, internal fillets. And what I've done here is made this paper sleeve, so when I reach in there to put epoxy in, I'm not making a mess out of the inside of the body tube. You see in there's the mid fins. And I'll be using this long screwdriver that I cut off, that I've been using for the long reach of placing the epoxy. to get caught up on where I'm at, I had a hard time capturing everything I was doing internal fillets and stuff like that. So I kind of just, I got what I could for video and thought I would just explain after where I'm at. So we can get a, view in there. So I've got the forward centering with the recovery system U-bolt attached. It's all filled in with a good fillet. Actually, the whole centering is coated. I've got my rail buttons in. I've got the rear centering in. That's looking real good. I've got the T-nuts for a motor retainer. And you can see the coat of epoxy I got on here. That looks really, really nice. And let's see, can you see? I'll get a little closer. You can kind of see the red fins touching the fiberglass where this is translucent. Oh, that looks pretty cool. So next we're going to get the external fillets done on all 3 sets of fins. And you can see here, let me get a little closer. Again, I'm going to try to get the epoxy to run through those holes and make a bridge through there to help hold these fins, where the top fins are the only ones that are not through the body construction. Alright, so my next step is going to be masking off the fins, the body, anywhere I don't want epoxy getting onto besides the fillet areas. Alright, mixed up my Proline 4500 epoxy.